In this video, let's see how to manage quick email. In the navigation bar, click on Email. In the drop-down menu, select Quick Email. We can access mails based on their status by selecting these tabs. Click on the Reschedule button for rescheduling the mail. In the calendar pop-up, select a future date and time to reschedule the mail. Click the Confirm button in the calendar pop-up to finalize the rescheduling. A notification appears confirming the mail has been successfully rescheduled. From this three-dot menu, you can preview the mail, send the rescheduled mail instantly, and can also delete the mail.
By selecting the user filter, you can effortlessly switch between users to filter the mail accordingly.
Moreover, you can customize the date range to filter the mails according to your preference. Click the Apply button to set the date range. Here you can see the list of quick emails and the exact amount of credit usage for each mail. To see the further details of mail, click Preview button. Thank you for watching.